Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice auger motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the ice bin door and pull the latch to uninstall the ice bin. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws, securing the ice chute assembly. With the screws unthreaded, lift the chute assembly up to detach. Lift off the auger drive shaft and use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the auger motor. Lift up the old motor and disconnect the wire harness. Install the new ice auger motor by first connecting the wire harness. Set the motor in the ice bin housing and thread the 4 mounting screws to secure. Align the auger drive shaft on the new motor. Reinstall the ice chute assembly. Replace the ice bin and close the ice bin door. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.